Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install SSIS integration services in Microsoft SQL Server. So here, let's go on this download section. So I already have this SQL Server 2025. Now going to click on this setup. And now SQL Server 2025, this come from Microsoft Corporation. Let's click on yes button. And thereafter, this is SQL Server Installation Center. Let's click on this installation. New SQL Server as standalone installation or add feature to an existing installation. So this is now currently processing. So please wait while Microsoft SQL Server 2025 setup processes the current operation. Now here you can see this is now third step, install setup, this all okay. Click on this next. Here I already have this SQL Server in my system, so that there I'm going to add the features inside this MS SQL Server. Let's click on next. If you want, then you can use this Azure extension. Currently I'm not doing this. Now click on this next. Here database engine service analysis service already in my system. Let's do here integration services. So when you click this here, you can get this all detail. Now thereafter click on this next. So please wait and now click on this next. And here features and integration services. So this will install there. Now click on this install. So this is now currently installing. And the next thing is, if I go on this Google, in search box type there SSMS, then go on this install SQL Server Management Studio. So this is the latest version is there. Download SQL Server Management Studio 22. So this done. Now let's click on this exe file. Come from Microsoft Corporation. Click on yes button. And here click on this continue. Now you can see this here SQL Server Management Studio. So there you need to select this option business intelligence. Then you can get this here analysis service SQL Server integration SSIS. You can also get here then SQL reporting service. Now you can see integration services succeeded. Let's click on this close or install. Now you can see SQL Server Management Studio 2022 that's installed there. Let's click on this launch. And here escape. Now here you need to give the server name. Let's give the local host and trust. Thereafter let's click on this connect. And now you can see inside their integration services. Click into this creator catalog. Here this is the name of the catalog. Let's give their password. And now click on this OK. So here you can see the catalog that's created inside. Now next is here you can activate operation or create folder. Let's click on this create folder. So giving the name or test, and then after click on this OK. So test folder that's created here, you can see project and environment. Right click the project. From there you can import the project. So by following this step, you can here locate project, select, then update, and here create parameter. Then you can here you can uh, look import the project. So this is how we can install this integration services inside the SQL Server 2025. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.